A circle has an x-intercept of 3 in the positive direction of x-axis and it touches the y-axis at a distance of 2 from the origin. Determine the equation of the circle. So let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll consider the general equation of the circle first. Now, the circle touches the y-axis at a distance of 2 from the origin, meaning the circle is going to touch the y-axis at a point 0, 2 on the y-axis. Now, it's given here that the x-intercept of the circle is 3. If the x-intercept of the circle is 3, it simply means that the length of the x-intercept, which is given by the equation 2 times square root of g squared minus c. So it's given here that this length is equals to 3 units, which means that g squared minus c, that will be equals to 9 over 4. So let this be equation number 1. Now, since the circle touches the point 0, 2, we can say that 0, 2 is going to satisfy the equation of the circle because it's going to lie on the circle. This simply means that we can replace the value of x with 0 and y with 2 into the general equation of the circle. So we get 0 squared plus 2 squared plus 2gx plus 2fy, so y is 2, plus c equals to 0. So when we rearrange the terms, we're going to get the equation c plus 4f plus 4 equals to 0. So let this be equation number 2. However, there is one more condition. Since it's given here that the circle touches the y-axis, it would mean that its y-intercept value is 0. The length of the y-intercept, which is given by 2 times square root of f square minus c, this value will be equals to 0. And that immediately gives us the relation between c and f, so c will be equals to f squared. Now what we can do, we can replace the value of c in equation number 2 with f squared, and this is going to give us, so equation 2 is going to become a quadratic equation in f. So we have f squared plus 4f plus 4 equals to 0. Now, this is a very simple quadratic equation. It's nothing but the expansion of f plus 2 whole square. This will be equals to 0. So solving this, we get the value of f. So f comes out to be equals to negative 2. Fine. Now that we have the value of f, we can also find out the value of c. So using c equals to f squared. This implies that the value of c will be equals to negative f squared, so that's f squared, so that's negative 2 squared, or simply c value will be equals to 4. Now that we have the value of c, we can also find out the value of g using equation number 1. So let's use equation number 1. So g squared will be equals to c plus 9 over 4. We're going to replace the value of c with 4. So g squared will be equals to 4 added to 9 over 4. So g squared will be equals to 25 over 4. So g will be equals to plus or minus, if we take the square root, 5 over 2. Fine. Although we have two values of g, we will be considering only the negative value of g. That means g equals to negative 5 over 2, because there's a condition given here that the circle has an x-intercept in the positive direction of the x-axis. If it is having an intercept of 3 in the positive direction of x-axis, then the g value must be equals to negative 5 over 2. So we have the value of f. So f came out as negative 2, c is 4. So let's note it down. Now we have the g value, that's negative 5 over 2. We have the f value, negative 2, and the value of c. We found out the value of c as positive 4. So we are ready to find out the equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle with the given conditions, we will get x squared plus y squared, this is the value of g, plus 2 times g, so that is negative 5 over 2, times x, plus 2 times f, so that's 2 times negative 2 times y, plus c, so c value is 4, this will be equals to 0. So we get x squared plus y squared minus 5x minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. So this is going to be the required equation of a circle.